Hi everyone, this is Luisa, and today I will be guiding you through an easy and friendly yoga flow. If you are new to yoga, or you are just looking to spend a few minutes with yourself while relaxing your body and your mind, this class is surely for you. Having all this said, it's time for us to enjoy it. Let's come together in a comfortable sitting position. Reach your arms up, inhale, and long exhale. Allow your palms to lay down on your knees. This is a great moment to connect with your breath. Deep inhale into your nose and long exhale out through your nose or through your mouth. Inhale again and exhale out. Good. Let's start with a simple stretch of our neck. Drop your right ear towards your shoulder and extend the left arm. Inhale and exhale. Let's switch to the other side. We inhale again. Reach your arms up. Exhale, drop the left palm down, right arm reaches up. Make sure your sit bones are on the mat. Inhale again here, and long exhale, come center. Inhale straight. Exhale, this time the right palm comes down, left arm reaches up. Beautiful. We inhale here, and exhale, slowly come back to center. We inhale straight again. Exhale, slowly walk your palms forward as far as you can from your body, allowing here your chest and your forehead to come closer towards the mat. Beautiful moment to relax here. Inhale and long exhale out. One more inhale here. Exhale, slowly come back center. Now place your legs in front of you. Placing your palms on your knees, push your chest forward. Inhale. Exhale, round your spine, tuck the chin into your chest. Inhale again, forward. Exhale, round. Let's connect that movement with the breath. Inhale again, forward. And exhale, round. Beautiful. Let's come center and let's make our way into hands and knees position. Hips on top of your knees, shoulders over the wrist. We inhale, drop your belly down, look up. Exhale, round the spine through each vertebra. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, round the spine. Great movement for your spine. Slowly come into neutral position and extend the right leg here, allowing your heel slowly to come closer towards the mat, keeping your spine straight. Nice stretch for your legs. Switch to the left side. Inhale and exhale, release all that tension that you may have in your left leg. Drop both knees down, tuck your toes, lifting your hips up, slowly into downward facing dog. Be gentle here, you may keep your knees bent from the beginning, and then slowly move on the spot, bending one knee at a time, allowing your heels to reach through the mat. Nice stretch into your legs here. Widespread your fingers. Allow your back to stretch. Allow your chest to come closer towards your knees. Beautiful. Inhale here. And exhale. Look towards the top of the mat. Bend your knees and step forward. bending your knees, rounding the spine, and come up center. Let's inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Inhale again, lift your arms up. Exhale, dive down. Make sure you are always bending from your hips, not from your back. You may start with your knees bent, allowing here your neck and shoulders to relax while you are grabbing your elbows. You may add a bit of movement into your head, up and down, side to side. Inhale and exhale. If you feel comfortable, try to extend your legs here. You may stay there or just interlace your palms behind you, extending your elbows and giving your shoulders a nice stretch. Inhale. Exhale, bend your knees, round the spine, and come up. Lift your arms up. Inhale. And exhale, dive down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, step back the left leg. Dropping the back knee down, checking your front knee to be on top of your ankle. Coming into low lunge, opening from your chest here. Inhale. Exhale, drop your palms down. We inhale forward. Exhale, extend your front leg. We inhale forward again. Exhale, extend. Keep your hips squared. One more time, inhale forward. And exhale, extend. With each exhale, allow your body, your chest and forehead to come closer towards your knee. Inhale here again. Exhale forward. Tuck your toes, lifting the back leg here, and allow your back foot to come totally on the mat, coming into warrior one. Inhale and long exhale out. Allow your palms to come on the mat, coming into plank. Dropping your knees down on the mat, slowly chest down. We inhale down, exhale we push into baby cobra here. Inhale again, exhale push back into cobra, opening from your chest. Beautiful stretch. Inhale down, exhale come into a quick child's pose, rounding through each vertebra of your spine. Allowing your forehead to reach for the mat. Allow your arms to extend here. Inhale. And long exhale out. Slowly come into hands and knees position. Tuck your toes, lifting your hips up. Coming again into downward facing dog. You may again walk on the spot or just allow your heels to reach for the mat. Inhale here. And exhale, bend your knees, look on top of the mat and step forward. Slowly come up into standing. Let's move to the other side now. We inhale straight. Exhale, dive down. Inhale halfway. Exhale, this time we step back with the right leg. Dropping the right knee down, keeping your left knee on top of the ankle. Low lunge. Inhale and exhale, palms down. We inhale forward and exhale, extend the left leg. Inhale again forward. Exhale, extend. One more time. Inhale forward. And exhale, extend. Keeping your hips squared here, and allow your chest again to come lower towards your knee. It's a really nice stretch here, releasing all that tension from your leg. We come center, inhale, exhale, tuck your toes, coming into warrior one. Deep inhale into your nose, and long exhale out, dropping your palms down on the mat, closing your legs. Again, your knees down, chest down. We inhale down, exhale, push into cobra. Inhale down again. Push again into cobra. Inhale and exhale, quick child's pose. Allowing your body to relax here. Adding a bit of stretch into your shoulders by interlacing your palms behind you. Pushing your palms towards the top of the mat. Inhale. And long exhale out. Great moment to simply release all that tension from your body or from your mind. Coming back into hands and knees position and making all your way down on the mat into the sitting pose. Grabbing your knees into your chest and come slowly down on the mat. Inhale into your nose and exhale. Extend the left leg here, grabbing your right knee into your chest and open, allowing your right knee to come closer towards the mat. It's a very nice hip opener. We inhale, and while we exhale, the right knee is reaching towards the left side of the mat, extending your right arm here. It's a nice spinal twist. Inhale and exhale, come back center, grabbing your knees into your chest and switching, extending the right leg and opening the left leg, allowing your left knee to come down towards the mat. Grabbing your left knee with your right palm, twisting from your belly and extending the left arm here. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale here. Exhale, slowly come back center, grabbing again your knees into your chest. You may rock them side to side, massaging your back. And allow your legs to totally extend on the mat, coming into our last pose for today, Shavasana. Your arms are laying next to your body, allowing here your body to relax, to feel heavy, to completely melt down into the ground below you. Deep inhale into your nose and long exhale out. Slowly start moving your fingers, your toes, adding a bit of energy into your body. You may stretch like you just wake up in the morning. Slowly turn to one side of your body and then coming into a seated pose. Deep deep inhale into your nose, reach your arms up. Exhale, place your palms to your heart. We inhale again, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. Bow down to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for doing this class with me today. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.